Are you tired of drowning in a sea of receipts and invoices? Struggling to keep track of your business finances without breaking the bank? In this video, I am going to review 5 free accounting apps that can save you time, money, and a whole lot of headaches. Stick with us as we compare the top 5 options that won't cost you a dime. And don't forget to check out the description below for official links to all the apps we'll be discussing. Let's get started. First up on our list is Wave, a true veteran in the world of free accounting software. Founded back in 2010, Wave has been helping small businesses and freelancers manage their finances for over a decade. What started as a simple invoicing tool has evolved into a comprehensive accounting solution used by millions of entrepreneurs worldwide. So, what makes Wave stand out? For starters, it offers a robust set of features that rival many paid options. You get unlimited income and expense tracking, the ability to connect multiple bank accounts and credit cards, and customizable invoicing. Plus, Wave's double-entry accounting system ensures your books are always balanced. When it comes to user interface, Wave really shines. Its clean, intuitive design makes it a breeze to navigate, even if you're not an accounting whiz. And let's be honest, who among us really is? Now, collaboration is key for growing businesses, and Wave doesn't disappoint. You can add unlimited partners, collaborators, and accountants to your account at no extra cost. This makes it easy to delegate tasks or get professional help when tax season rolls around. But what about the drawbacks? Well, Wave's free plan doesn't include advanced features like inventory tracking or project management. And while their mobile app allows for receipt scanning and invoice creation, it doesn't offer full accounting functionality. As for the free plan, it's pretty generous. You get unlimited users, unlimited bank connections, and unlimited income and expense tracking. The only limits are on payroll and payment processing, which are paid add-ons. So, who is Wave ideal for? It's perfect for freelancers, solopreneurs, and small businesses with straightforward accounting needs. If you're looking for a user-friendly solution that covers all the basics without costing a penny, Wave might just be your new best friend. Moving on to our second contender, we have ZipBooks. Founded in 2015, ZipBooks is a relative newcomer to the accounting scene, but don't let that fool you. This cloud-based software packs a punch when it comes to features and ease of use. ZipBooks' standout feature is its intelligent automation. The software uses machine learning to categorize your transactions, making bookkeeping a breeze. It also offers color-coded financial health scores, giving you a quick visual snapshot of your business's financial status. The user interface is modern and sleek, with a dashboard that provides an at-a-glance view of your cash flow, outstanding invoices, and expenses. It's like having a financial crystal ball right at your fingertips. When it comes to collaboration, ZipBooks allows you to add team members and your accountant to your account. However, the free plan limits you to one user, so keep that in mind if you're planning to grow your team. Now, let's talk about limitations. While ZipBooks offers a decent range of features in its free plan, you're limited to 1 bank account connection and 5 invoices per month. This might be fine for side hustlers or very small businesses, but could be restrictive for more established entrepreneurs. The free starter plan includes basic bookkeeping, unlimited invoicing and vendors, and the ability to accept digital payments. However, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan for features like time tracking, advanced reporting, and multiple bank connections. ZipBooks is ideal for entrepreneurs who are just starting out or running a side business. Its automation features and financial health scores make it particularly appealing for those who want to keep a close eye on their finances without getting bogged down in the details. All right, moving on to number 3 on our list, Nucash. Now this one's a bit different from our previous contenders. Nucash is an open-source accounting software that's been around since 1998. That's right, it's older than some of you watching this video. Nucash was originally developed for personal finance management, but has since evolved to include small business accounting features. Its longevity and open-source nature mean it has a dedicated community of users and developers constantly improving the software. So, what are Nucash's key features? Well, it offers double-entry bookkeeping, transaction matching, and the ability to track stocks and investments. It also supports multiple currencies, which is great for international businesses. Now, I'll be honest with you. Nucash's user interface isn't winning any beauty contests. It has a bit of a retro look that might remind you of your old Windows 95 computer, but don't let that fool you. Underneath that dated exterior lies a powerful accounting tool. When it comes to collaboration, Newcash falls a bit short. As a desktop application, it doesn't offer cloud-based sharing or multi-user access. You'll need to manually share files if you want to collaborate with team members or your accountant. One of Newcash's biggest strengths is also its main limitation. It's a desktop application. This means you don't need an internet connection to use it, but it also means you can't access your data from multiple devices or locations easily. The good news? Newcash is completely free and open source. There are no paid plans or hidden fees. You get all features right out of the box, including unlimited accounts, transactions, and reports. Newcash is ideal for tech-savvy entrepreneurs who prefer desktop applications and don't mind a steeper learning curve. It's particularly well-suited for businesses that need robust investment tracking or multi-currency support. Now let's switch gears and talk about our fourth contender, accounting. Launched in 2017, accounting is a relative newcomer that's quickly gained popularity thanks to its modern approach to free accounting software. Accounting's standout feature is its modularity. The core software is free and open source, but you can add functionality through paid apps in their marketplace. This allows you to customize the software to your specific needs without paying for features you don't use. The user interface is clean, modern, and responsive. It's web-based, so you can access it from any device with an internet connection. And let me tell you, after looking at Newcash, accounting's sleek design is a breath of fresh air. Collaboration is where accounting really shines. You can add unlimited users to your account for free, making it easy to work with team members, partners, or your accountant. Plus, its cloud-based nature means everyone's always working with the most up-to-date information. Now, what about limitations? While the core features are comprehensive, some advanced functionality requires paid add-ons. Also, being a newer platform, it may not have as many integrations as some of the more established players. Accounting's free plan includes all core accounting features like invoicing, expense tracking, and financial reports. You also get unlimited users and companies. The paid apps in their marketplace allow you to add features like inventory management or advanced reporting as needed. This software is ideal for growing businesses that want a scalable solution. It's particularly well-suited for tech-savvy entrepreneurs who appreciate the ability to customize their accounting software through add-ons. Number 5, we have Zoho Invoice. Now you might be thinking, wait a minute, isn't Zoho Invoice just for invoicing? Well, you're partially right, but hear me out. Zoho Invoice was launched in 2008 as part of the larger Zoho suite of business applications. While it started as an invoicing tool, it's evolved to include many features of a full-fledged accounting system. The standout feature of Zoho Invoice is, unsurprisingly, its invoicing capabilities. You get professional-looking invoice templates, recurring invoices, and even multi-language invoicing. But it doesn't stop there. You also get expense tracking, time tracking, and basic project management features. When it comes to user interface, Zoho Invoice is a joy to use. It's clean, intuitive, and mobile-friendly. Plus, if you're already using other Zoho products, you'll feel right at home. Collaboration is another strong point for Zoho Invoice. You can add multiple users to your account and set role-based permissions. This makes it easy to work with team members or your accountant without compromising sensitive financial data. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Zoho Invoice isn't a complete accounting solution. It lacks features like double-entry bookkeeping and balance sheets. However, for many small businesses and freelancers, its feature set is more than enough to manage day-to-day finances. The free plan of Zoho Invoice is surprisingly generous. You can invoice up to 5 customers per month, accept payments online, and access their mobile app. Plus, you get 1 user included in the free plan. Zoho Invoice is ideal for service-based businesses, freelancers, and small teams who prioritize invoicing and time tracking. It's also a great choice if you're already using other Zoho products and want seamless integration. So, there you have it. Our rundown of the top 5 free accounting apps for entrepreneurs. But before we wrap up, let's do a quick recap. Wave takes the crown for its comprehensive feature set and unlimited everything in the free plan. It's the closest you'll get to a full-fledged accounting system without spending a dime. Remember, the best accounting app for you depends on your specific needs. Consider factors like the size of your business, your accounting knowledge, and your plans for growth when making your decision. We hope this video has helped you navigate the world of free accounting apps. If you found it useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more small business tips and tricks. And hey, we'd love to hear about your experiences with these apps. Drop a comment below and let us know which one you're planning to try. Thanks for watching,